Spanish tactician Jose Rivero has spoken candidly about his transformative stint at Orlando Pirates, declaring that his time with the Swords Giants was more than just a coaching role, and said it was the foundation of a long-term football project. Now stepping into the hot seat at Egyptian powerhouse Al Ahly, Rivero is determined to translate that experience into success on the continent's biggest stage. The 49-year-old enjoyed a highly successful three-year tenure with Pirates, guiding the club to 3 MTN 8 titles and 2 Nedbank Cup triumphs. He also came agonizingly close to continental glory, leading the Buccaneers to the semi-finals of the CAF Champions League before narrowly falling to Pyramids FC 3-2 on aggregate. But Rivera insisted that his mission in South Africa went far beyond silverware. He said, "I wasn't just coaching a team at Orlando Pirates. I was running a full-scale project aimed at building a generation of young players." That project bore fruit in spectacular fashion. Under Rivero's stewardship, the likes of Relebohile Mofokeng, Mohao Nkotha and Bekezeli Mbokazi rose to prominence, becoming standout talent in the Betway Premiership and gaining recognition across the continent. In 132 matches at the helm, Rivero recorded an impressive 80 wins, 26 draws and 26 losses, testament to the consistency and competitiveness he instilled at Pirates. But he's quick to shift the spotlight onto the club's broader infrastructure and youth development pipeline. He said the support system at Pirates was exceptional. The management had a clear vision to nurture a generation of players capable of excelling in African competitions. I was fortunate to work with talented young players who were not only gifted but were developed scientifically and methodically. That environment made it possible for me to win 5 trophies and compete at the highest level. Having officially joined Al Ahly in May 2025, Rivera is under no illusions about the weight of expectation that comes with leading Africa's most successful club, and said, "I know the culture of Al Ahly is about winning every trophy available. That's the first and last philosophy of this club. I understand that I've come into a new environment with a different footballing culture, but I've learned from my experience at Pirates that adaptability is key. I'm ready to embrace the challenges both on and off the pitch." Despite being relatively unknown when he arrived in South Africa in 2022, Rivera leaves a legacy at Orlando Pirates, not only as a winner but as a visionary who reshaped the club's youth development model and helped re-establish them as a continental force. As he embarks on this new journey with Al Ahly, Rivero's message is clear. He's here to build, to win, and to leave yet another lasting legacy. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.